Hey, what's up? It's your boy the Knologist. We're going to be doing a quick guide on how to do birdhouse runs. So basically what you want to do is watch my guide on how to get to Fossil Island. So first you want to get to Fossil Island. Then you want to go to these two patches and build the highest level birdhouse you can use. So for me, I used U birdhouses and then wild blood seeds. So I went here and here. That's 2. And then we're going to be doing a quick tour on how to get back. Make sure you bring stamina potions. And I think this is an area for wyverns if you have that task. And these give you about like 2k per U birdhouse if you have like a U log based birdhouse. There's one here, so that's 3 in total so far. Once you get to this part here, and then there's one up here. You can buy these pre-made at the GE. You don't have to actually build the birdhouse yourself. And then all you have to do is periodically come and check it. It'll fill every hour. So once you get here, and the final one is here. So if you look at the map, there's here, and then these 2 spots here. So if you like this guide, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. Knologist out. So let's go back to GE. Peace.